What's up, guys? KW Hotels from KW Hotel Tours here, and I am happy to announce that Sands Motel of Fenwick Island, Delaware is getting torn down as I speak. I just want to make this video to tell you guys about the news. Hotel news, if you will call it that. If you haven't checked out my video, Stay Away from Sands Motel, go check it out. Just go on my channel and go under my videos and you'll see it. Stay Away from Sands Motel. Check it out. But if you guys, for all you guys that have stayed there, or you watched that video, you know that place was just running into the ground. And once when I was there, I covered all this in the video. It had bad staff, just horrible cleanliness issues and safety issues. And at the end of my stay, once I left, after I shot that clip of talking to the manager when they were making all that BS up about about me booking a room on Booking.com and it said non-refundable, which it doesn't. Once we walked out of there, after I did that clip, I actually called the fire marshal on them, and I'm not sure what happened with that, but they said they would send someone out. But anyway, how I knew that this was happening, that the motel was being torn down, was I was going down to Ocean City for 2 nights, and we came in through Fenwick, and we drove past Sands, because it was the only way in Ocean City, and I looked, and I saw that there was an excavator, and there was like half of it was like teared down, and yeah, half of it got teared down. And once we got to our hotel, I went on Sands Facebook page, and there's a video of them tearing it down, or swinging out of the excavator. Yeah, they're tearing it down and they're gonna rebuild it and making it something else. And apparently they had a rock throwing party where the public came. This was December 20th, and the public came, and they could throw rocks at the windows and stuff of the motel. And I wish I was there. I wish I was following them on Facebook, because I would have been there in a heartbeat. I would have loved to contribute to that, but so I missed that. But if you go on Sands Facebook page, you'll see a new rendering of what the new hotel is supposed to look like, and they're gonna make it it's a brand by Hilton, and I never heard of it until they announced it. It's been around. It's one of their fancy hotel brands. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, so I apologize. It's called the Tapestry Collection by Hilton. So I'll show you what the logo looks like of what the brand is. See where my finger is? It'll focus. Focus, camera. It will focus. Yeah, well. Well, the camera can't focus, but where my finger is, if you can make that out in any time of the video, that's what they're turning it into, so the Hilton own the property, which I'm glad to hear. Which means that there shouldn't be any mess ups or bad management or staffing. I'm pretty sure that it sounds like, from the sounds of it, the same owners of Sands is going to continue to own a new property, and it's just going to have the Hilton's branding name on it. And which they can't run it into the ground now, because what happens is, this is what happens when you're with any brand. When you have a chain hotel like Hampton Inn, Ramada, Quality, and any branded name on your hotel, you might own a place, but you don't own the brand. Once you have the brand, you have to make a certain amount of money. And you have to make a certain amount of money and keep having positive feedback and reviews to keep their brand on your hotel, or else that brand will leave you. So it's going to be interesting. And with Sands being out of business right now, there's only two motels in Fenwick right now, and it's going to be interesting. Both of those two last motels in Fenwick right now are independently owned. It's going to be interesting to see how much business this branded hotel that they're building there is going to go. It's going to be interesting to see how much business this only branded hotel in Fenwick is going to take from its independently owned motels that are left in Fenwick. But nonetheless, I wish the owners best of luck with this new property. It should be opening in 2020, sometime in 2020. And I'm signed at it's a brand owned by Hilton. And once again, if you want to go check out the new renderings of what the new hotel is supposed to look like, go on Sands Motel's Facebook page. Just type in Sands Motel on Facebook. You'll see their profile should pop up. But I sure hope that they don't have the same staff. I sure hope they don't have that lady running the front desk that I encountered that likes to sleep on a job and likes to shut the door on the guest and be rude and call the cops for no reason. I hope they don't have my buddy Luke as general manager anymore. I hope he got fired, and I hope he finds a better job that fits him better than hospitality. Same with the front desk lady. And I'm just really happy that it got teared down, and I hope it's a fresh new start for the owners of Sands. And what I'm going to do right now, in about 5 seconds, I'm going to go put pictures of Sands being what I'm about to show you guys on the screen. I took the pictures myself of driving past Sands when an excavator was knocking half of the building down in the video. I'm going to show you that clip right now.
Oh, look at that.
They're still demolishing.
Tore all like half of it down already. Very good he's doing it in the rain, all that stuff flying around in the air. Yeah. So the bottom part is made out of concrete. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
He's probably going to have to get something else to demolish that.
Probably.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Guys, so I hope you enjoy these clips and that picture that I took of Sands right there, so you can see what it looks like now when half of it's, less than half is demolished. But so I think this is a good thing moving forward. So I hope no more terrible staff, no more bad management, and we're getting a newer hotel in Fenwick. and maybe the rates might be a little bit cheaper because during the summer, because it's in Fenwick and not in Ocean City. So I'm definitely looking forward to the Cape Stray Collection by Hilton in Fenwick Island in 2020 when it opens. Which I'm probably saying that wrong. I'm not sure how you say that name. I'll try to show you guys the name of it again, see if my camera will focus. But there you go. There you guys go. You guys can see where my fingers pointed up. That's a brand that they're making it into, and I think it's gonna be a positive change for Fenwick and all the tourists that go to Ocean City and that stays in Fenwick, or people that enjoy fishing in Fenwick beaches. So once I find out more updates about the construction of the new hotel, the new sands, I will go keep you guys updated. And if you go, and please go visit Sands Motel's Facebook page to see new renderings of the hotel. And if you have any memories of Sands Motel, look at one of their posts and just send your pictures into the email. They'll post them on there. So rip Sands Motel. I'm glad it's getting teared down. That made me happy. Can't wait to see what Hilton's gonna do with the new hotel. And I just hope it has better staff and better cleaning and better housekeeping and better front desk manager that like their job. So if it has all these things, I think the new hotel will succeed. So I thought so I will leave you guys with this. Oh, I don't know. So I'll leave you guys with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.